Hi. Found infrastructure. So this is a fun one. My wife got a real big kick out of me playing with stuff very, very quickly. We were unloading some stuff from the truck and I did this. I had this crate, came from some family related stuff that we cleaned out. No idea what came in it. It says statuary. Don't know how old it is. Doesn't matter. And then today, as we were gathering stuff to bring over here, I found a set of casters, and they swivel. 2 of them have locks and 2 of them don't. Oh, hey, I got an idea. I'll put them together on this crate, and I can use them temporarily, to put in cut pieces of stick lumber. Short bits. I've got lots of short bits. Actually, I've got some more short bits. See, more short bits. Lots of 2x4 bits. Why do you hold on to all this crap? Well, anybody who does any type of quote-unquote woodworking knows that you can use scraps for a variety of things. Jigs, test pieces. Always do a test cut on a drop, which is what this would be. This is a drop off of a good piece of wood. It's a scrap. We use that to do our test cuts so we don't mess up the good stuff. I learned that when I was working in the furniture manufacturing industry. And now, because this thing has wheels, I can move this stuff. I should probably, look where I'm steering, but it doesn't have no brakes. I can move this stuff around the shop and get it out of the way. Or I can pull it to where I'm working on it. It will live here in the corner, out of the way, temporarily, until I make stuff with that, which is in the works. That's why I brought it over here. Thanks. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.